serial killer doll. You might recognize him, Chucky.
This sucks.
Well, unfortunately, he kind of hijacked the route and raised an army of killer dolls and threatened to kill you all. So that's kind of cool. That being said, I want everyone to know that here at Universal Studios Hollywood, your safety and security is our #1 priority. Yeah.
Remember when he pushed me out to the floor at the end of
We're just loading a couple more bodies on the tram. Okay, I just want to check in with our security guard just to make sure there's nothing bad going on out there. Hello? Okay, yo, dude, you probably shouldn't be smoking on the job. Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's me.
You probably shouldn't be drinking either. Hey, buddy. Okay, well, that was no help to us at all. You know what, never mind. I'll tell you what, we'll just head down there anyways. I'm sure that there's nothing bad that can happen. Just stay in your seats while the tram isn't moving. Keep your arms and legs in the vehicle at all times, and if you have any small children, what the hell were you thinking? Well, put them to the center of the aisle. If you have an emergency of any kind, just pull that cord. That being said, well, we have a couple of issues with Chucky and Halloween Horror Nights here. Here's the backstory.
In 1988, moviegoers were introduced to a new kind of terror. A demented serial killer trapped in the body of a good guy doll. A doll named Chucky.
Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play?
Chucky was an instant hit with horror fans, spawning a string of successful sequels, each more violent than the last. Then, in 1998, Chucky shocked the world by taking a bride. 5 years later, they welcomed Chucky became one of Hollywood's biggest stars. Interviews, magazines, a toy and clothing line. There seemed to be no limit to Chucky's success.
I am Chucky, the killer doll, and I dig it!
But Hollywood is a fickle bitch. The years of being shot, stabbed, sliced, cut, crushed, chopped, burned, butchered, melted, and exploded took their toll on the Chuckster.
Dying is such a bitch.
And eventually, the cracks began to show. Rumors of drinking and gambling filled the tabloids, as well as multiple cases of domestic abuse. Even Chucky's trademark banter was starting to grow tired.
I can't think of a thing to say.
The movie deals dried up, and Hollywood turned its back on Chucky. The final straw came when Universal canceled Chucky's once popular show at Halloween Horror Nights. That same year, the Universal backlot mysteriously burned down. The studio issued a cover story, but everyone knew who was behind the fire. It seems like Hollywood has not seen the last of Chucky.
I'll be back. I always come back.
Okay, it looks like Chucky raised some of his killer doll friends to come out and assist in the killing.
It's your favorite.
Okay, good news is I'm not sticking around to see what goes down. Bad news is, y'all can't stay on my tram. So yeah, we're gonna drop you off here and, well,
You're gonna run up right.
good luck.